Embedding funding opportunities. In another session, we demonstrated how to copy links to curated lists or curated searches, which you can then add to a web page. In this session, we'll show you how to embed funding opportunities directly into a web page where they can attract the attention of researchers, such as the homepage for the research office or the page of a specific department. To get started, in the Tools section of the Admin dashboard, select Create an Embedded Search. We call it Embedded Search, but you can embed funding ops from either a curated search or a curated list. Give the embedded search a name. This will appear at the top of the search results your users will see. Next, you need to choose which funding opportunities will show up, and you do that by picking a curated list or a curated search. If none of these choices gives you the results you want, you'll need to exit and create a new curated list or search first. Next, choose the order in which the results will be sorted, and then click Save. The highlighted iframe code is the HTML code you will embed on your web page, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But first, scroll down the page to where it says Your Search Embedded in this page. This is how the search results frame will look on your institution's web pages, so you can test it out. If there are more results than can fit in the frame, the user can scroll down for more. If the person viewing this list is already logged into their PivotRP account, or if they are viewing this from within your institution's IP range, the Details link can be used to see more information on the funding opportunities. There's a link at the top to view more details of this search in PivotRP itself. This results list is dynamic. In other words, every time the web page loads, the latest results from that curated list or curated search will appear here, with new results added and expired results removed. When you are satisfied with the search results list, it's time to take that iframe HTML code and place it on your institution's web pages. Details for how to do this are beyond the scope of this video because every institution has different procedures. You may need to contact your IT department, or you may need some basic HTML coding skills to fit the search results box into the web page. After adding the iframe to the web page, you don't need to change the HTML again in order to change the funding opportunities that display there. Here's how to change the funding opportunities after embedding the code. Back on the PivotRP admin page, select Manage Embedded Searches. Find the search you want to change and click Edit on the right side. This page should look familiar, and you can make any changes you want, including changing the name, the curated list or curated search, and so on. No matter what you change, after you click Save, your new search information will immediately go into effect on the web pages where you embedded this iframe code, because the code itself doesn't change. You can create as many embedded searches as you want. You can also place the same iframe code on more than one web page. And you can change the search anytime you need to. That's how to embed funding opportunities into a web page.